If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Kajaintia Students Union JSU hasi pale jogata yau kelalet ye kendu ya ke menteri jong ke sarkar jela ke kong amprin lengdo Dawa bahkan plie biang ya ke MPSC examination center Jowai ke jingsyak ban ben kipat ba jong ke block 1 haki karbi bat ban penbiang ya ki jingdan kam jong ke kliriat civil hospital. Habakren cikilat pathai kubor General Secretary ke JSU uba Trebor R Sushen uloong ba hausnam arajar khatnrio ka Jowai ka dei ka wei na ki jaka ki thoh ka eksamin MPSC bat ki wei hendrei la pendu no ya ka ni ya ka Jowai examination center bat kani ka labu ka jing ka bakraw ki samla jong ka rilum jaintia namar ki hab ban let yele ki eksamin shadu shenong ba shalong kumta ka JSU kala Dawa bade ban bo biang ya ka jaka thoh eksamin ha Jowai ban pensuk samla jong ka rilum jaintia ka JSU kala pensnguru syaka sarkar jela halo ke jing ki jaj bin riu benar ki bela syak pendik ha ki kenhun sang balang na karbi ki bela berngem berset penting pensmit bat kumta ka sang JSU kala Dawa na ka sarkar ba ka dei bani kren ya kani ka kam bat ka sarkar Assam bat ha ka juk upor ban ai jingiada bat jing sengan ban wanra ya ka songsuk song sengan ha ki jaka khappud ka JSU kala Dawaru na ka Dr. Amprin Nengdo ban penbiang ki jingduna ki badan kam ha kliriat civil hospital bat na kaliang ka menteri ka tenat ka koi kakhya kala kular bah po sibo sngi kan pendep ki jingduna kum ka bat ka pankhana bat ka menteri kan letru ban jurep hidala di yakni ka hospital ha kini kisi ki banwan.
Well, we got a message from the Block 1 area that some people of Karbi would say self-proclaimed social organization or NGO. They threaten our people from time to time and doing extortion, stopping up people in, I would say, in terms of movement, going to the state of Meghalaya. And this thing happened from time to time. And yesterday we got a call from our people that one or two group of people were there and they stopped our young people and saying that they could not form any social organization or any NGO or any kind of a social group in the Block 1 area. And we know that this is a very surreptitious, I would say, surreptitious way of what Karbi is doing so that they can stop our people and shut them out to voice out for the concern and for the public interest of the Block 1 area. And right now, this regional committee is going on. I would say the border demarcation is going on right now, and we feel that the Block 1 area of that supposedly to belong to the state of Meghalaya, and we wanted the government to take it very seriously and to help out the people of Khasi Jaintia and Block 1 to retransfer back the Block 1 to state of Meghalaya.